long, long time ago, King Nebuchadnezzar made an idol for the people of Babylon to worship.
All hail King Theo. Bow down and worship him.
But some people refused to worship.
Guys, do you hear that?
What is that?
Oh, it's that thing that the king was talking about.
Oh, the bagpipes?
Yeah, I think we're supposed to worship a dog or something.
Oh, we would never do that.
Yeah, I'm not here for this.
That's ridiculous.
Let's just get back to work.
Put him in the furnace!
So they got blazed in the furnace! Oh!
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't.
Oh, hey, y'all. Welcome to the furnace. What are you doing here?
So Father had placed an angel to rescue them.
We got thrown in the furnace because we refused to worship the idol King Nebuchadnezzar set up. Well, what are y'all's names?
I'm Shadrach.
I'm Meshach.
I'm a Bendigo.
Alright, Shaq, Magic, and Abdul-Jabbar. Y'all want some burgers? Sure, I'm down.
Why not?
Did we not put 3 in there? I think I see a 4th. And they were bound, and now they're unbound and walking around.
So, bro, they just started blowing out. Just guys being dudes. You know how it goes.
Do you trust me?
I trust you!
Now this is fellowship.
So, Nebuchadnezzar, pulled him out of the fire, and they're literally unscathed.
Bring them out! Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.